Hello, pet parents. I'm Dr. Barb Fox, holistic veterinarian in Northeast Iowa. I started a small series of vaccine issue videos on YouTube, and I want to continue today with a brief video on what you may be able to do in lieu of simply vaccinating your animal next time you want to take it to the grooming facility, boarding facility, dog park, or other event. So let's use the scenario here where Fifi is a little dog that needs groomed, but she's not current on her vaccines. And that may be due to a previous vaccine reaction where the vet said Fifi should never have another vaccine again, or perhaps that she has a concurrent disease that's going to prevent her immune system from functioning properly or responding to the vaccine properly. And you can't find a facility that will allow her to come in because she's not vaccinated. My suggestion at this point would be to look for a mobile groomer. Even small communities, we have several here in Northeast Iowa that will have mobile groomers listed online, and they will come to your house. There are no other dogs or cats in the facility, so it's a one-on-one. There really would be no risk of exposure since there aren't other animals in the facility, in the van, in the mobile grooming facility. The other thing you can look at is having titers done. Vaccine titers are, I've gone over this in a previous video, but in a nutshell, titer is a blood test that is drawn by your veterinarian, sent into a facility or institution like Kansas State University. They will check the blood for sufficient antibodies against a specific disease, say rabies or distemper. And if the test comes back that your pet is immunized properly and has the circulating antibodies, there wouldn't be any reason to revaccinate. And not all facilities will accept a vaccine titer, but I would, if I were you, look around and find one that will. It's the only way to really know that your pet's vaccinated properly. And then if that facility, whether you're going to, like I said, a dog park, grooming facility, boarding facility, whatever, if that place wants you or requires you to have the Bordetella, which is the kennel cough vaccine, I would highly suggest asking your vet to do an oral vaccine. There are injectable, intranasal, and oral vaccines available for kennel cough. In my opinion, the safest and most effective one is the oral. And then finally, if you need to board your pet and for whatever reason it can't be vaccinated, maybe it's too old, maybe it's sick, maybe it, for whatever reason, like I said, maybe a vaccine reaction in the past, but that boarding facility will not allow your animal to be boarded without the required vaccines, then I would look for an in-home pet sitter. For one thing, pet sitters that come into your house is a great idea because your dog or cat doesn't feel comfortable in a strange place with other barking animals or meowing animals. They're confined. There's usually not enough exercise time or one-on-one time with the animals, and they're much more comfortable at home. And the best thing is that if you have an in-home pet sitter, you don't have to worry about having your pet vaccinated. So I hope you find these tips helpful. And if you have any comments, please drop them below and I will comment back. And I really appreciate the fact that you're on this series. Please check out my previous videos. And if you like them, please click the like button and do subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. Thank you much.